Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2007 and this question is related to electronics. Look at the group 1 and group 2. Group 1 lists 4 different semiconductor devices. Match each device in group 1 with its characteristic property in group 2. Group 1 consisting of BJT, mass capacitor, laser diode, JFET. Whereas group 2 consisting of population inversion, pinch off voltage, early effect, flat band voltage. So we are going to match group 1 with group 2. We know that one early effect is also called as base width modulation. Base width sorry base width modulation, that is effective base width is going to be gets changed as collector to base voltage is going to be increases. So base width, as the name implies, this is width of effective width of base. Base is going to be a terminal related to the BJT. So BJT will be related to third one. Next one, JFET is going to be having a phenomena called as pinch off voltage. At pinch off voltage, the drain current becomes saturates. Okay, with respect to drain characteristics, at pinch off voltage drain current becomes constant, and with respect to transfer characteristics of JFET, at pinch off voltage drain current becomes 0. So JFET is going to be related to a phenomena called as pinch off voltage. So JFET is related to pinch off voltage. Next, mass capacitor and laser diode. Laser diode is going to be having two important characteristics. One is nothing but, okay, laser diode is having two important characteristics. One is coherent. Coherent implies nothing but all the photons generated by the laser is going to be having in the same phase. Okay, and the other one is nothing but monotonic. Monotonic. So that implies nothing but all the photons generated is going to be having the same frequency and same phase. Same frequency is nothing but single frequency is going to be generated so that it can be traveled for a longer distance. And the phenomena used in the laser is nothing but population inversion is the phenomena involved. Population inversion is the phenomena which is internally used in the laser. So this population inversion is going to be proportional to laser diode, and mass capacitor is related to the flat band voltage. If you apply more gate voltage as greater than flat band voltage, then only the mass capacitor is going to be generating a channel. Okay, inversion layer is going to be taking place. If you are applying gate voltage is going to be greater than 2 times of flat band voltage, that is if Vg is going to be greater than 2 times of flat band voltage, then inversion region or inversion layer exists or created in substrate. Otherwise inversion layer will not be created. So mass capacitor is going to be related to flat band voltage. So the right option for this one is, so C is going to be the right option. P3Q4R1S2. C is the right option. Thank you.